In this video, we are demonstrating the installation of the seat bottom cushion. Slip the cover over the seat, and then loosen each strap by pulling it through the buckle clip to extend the reach. Now, tuck each strap into the crevice to the back side. And make sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice as well. On the back side, pull the straps and fabric through so it is clearly visible through the crevice. Next, stretch the straps under the seat bottom and then reach under the seat and pull the strap through the loop on both the left and right sides. Now, connect the buckle straps to the buckle clips and pull the straps firmly, stretching it under the seat bottom and making sure each strap is pulled tight. Do not pull the buckle to tighten. If you pull the buckle at an angle, the strap will loosen. Never pull the buckle. Always tighten by pulling the strap only. With simple adjustments like tightening straps and tucking fabric, your covers will be sure to stay in place for a secure, snug fit.